What's up, guys?
What a white Christmas! Oh, look at the puppy. Look at that snow.
The blizzard of 2011.
What can I do now?
Not a tell, huh?
Can I just jump through this?
What?
Can I just jump through this?
Your slippers on, you crazy?
I don't have any boots. No, I don't.
Here comes Carlini! Is that Sophie?
Yeah, it's Sophie.
Oh, hey, Sophie.
Oh my god.
Crazy, huh? Come on, Pie. Pie's come here. Are you crazy? Look at this guy. He's a snow dog. All right, we got a lot of snow here, guys. We have about 21 inches. We are back to the frozen tundra. And this guy's gonna fuck me over here with my driveway. Say hi, Iris. All right, round two. I took a break to eat something. Got our neighbors down there. And here comes the big bulldozer. A lot of work ahead. Looking good, big guy. Oh no! Of course he had to do that. Let's go say hi to the neighbors.
Okay, Ned.
Hey, what's he doing over there? Say hi, neighbors. I'm filming.
Hey, Mr. Hardy! Look at the 2011 blizzard!
What do they call it? Snowpalooza? Snow pop. Pop. Look at that big hill. Woo! Look at this dude. He's plowing the lamb's driveway. I'll give him $1,000 right now to do mine. Where is he? Yeah. I'm trying to see how it works. Look at it. Hey, seriously, the kids could go sledding on it. Get the sleds out. What the hell? Why you gotta go somewhere else? Alright, I'm gonna go back to my where I have a heart attack. Whoa!
You get a video of you running away from him.
Yeah, get a video of me getting ran over. This guy ran me over. There's Rodney. Rodney! What's up, kid? Say hi, girls. Hey, what did you give him? $1,000 or what?
That was the worst thing that
they said, yeah, we'd be great if you turned into our driveway. And all of a sudden he does. I'm like,
awesome.
oh my God. I don't know him. I just asked Mike, does he know him? And he said,
Probably
no.
should flip him to 5 or something like that.
Nothing.
All right. Paisan. Come on, Pi. Want to come outside? Come on, let him up, B. No? All right. Okay, taking a break. Driveway is almost done. Hi, girls. Doesn't look like much, but got some work done here. A lot to go. It's Paisan. He wants to come out. But he can't. He terrorizes the neighbors. He's already got a police record. You guys gonna go sledding?
Yep.
Alright. Kayla's trying to find her boot. Let's see what's going on down here. Benny Blades shoveling the neighbor's driveway. Little Jack. Woo! How you guys doing?
Tired.
Tired. So am I. Let's go. Chop chop. Having fun? The mountain of hell. Or snow. I did a pretty good job on this week though. What's up, Andres? Hey. What's up, man? Hey, you playing baseball? You playing baseball this year? You don't know? You thinking about it? Alright, here comes Kayla. Let's see if she has her boot on. What's up, Kay? Hey, you find your boots? Kayla, did you find your boots?
No, I wore Ben's.
What do you got on?
Ben's.
Ben's.
Ben's. B-E-N. They're huge on me.
You'll live. How about a cow? She'll live?
She'll live.
Yeah.
No. But how we put my coat on? This is so old and it's so small on me.
You're a senior in high school and you need me to help you put on your coat?
I remember this coat. Yeah, I don't wear it anymore. I don't...
Come on, the snow's gonna melt. Hurry up.
Yeah.
Hi, Hannah Banana. I didn't see you standing there. Where's Emma?
She's sick. She's sick. I'll take this. Yeah. Oh my God, Dad. She's so weird. So she doesn't have to snap.
Huh? She is
Now
so
zipper
full
me.
of it.
She's just sitting
I can't. I got gloves on.
Or Colleen can.
Colleen can.
It's so small on me, this jacket.
We're gonna take a picture with you guys together, all right? Oh, the snow bunnies. Hey, what would you guys rather be doing right now? Like playing in the hot weather or this weather?
I don't know. This weather, actually.
This is fun, isn't it?
We could get summer in. I want to do something so badly. After this.
Paisan, shut up.
I feel like you're so little. I feel like what's it called?
Snowman?
Yeah. Now take a picture of us.
All right, hang on. All right, let's see some action.
Turn around. Look at me, everybody.
Say cheese.
That's good. Oh my God, this is about to blow me up. We gotta get the action shot. Looking at that. Oh crap, that's right.
Whoa!
Hannah just pulled this out of the hill.
Not the smoothest mountain, but hey, it beats nothing. Nice, Kay. Good job, Kay.
I didn't mean to slide. Oh, yes.
Come on, Leanie, go down. All right, here comes Hannah. Come on, Hannah. You know what I think you guys got to do? Take a shovel and smooth it out. Or just go down it a bunch of times. It'll smooth it out.